Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw in capital letter alphabets. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using black color and now we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. First we are draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. And now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I for eyes. Kids, now we draw J. The next one is K. K for kite. L for lion. And now we are draw M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N for nose, N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. The next one is R for rose, R for rice. S. T. Kids, now we'll draw U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. The next one is W. Now we are draw X, Y, and the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring and draw 2D shapes. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, first we are coloring the shape of star. And the next one is pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are coloring the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using blue color. And the next one is square. Kids, now we are using yellow color. The color of yellow. Now we are mixing and using the color of yellow. The next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. Kids, the next one is circle. Now we are using black color. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is trapezoid. Kids, now we are coloring the shape of trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.